Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. I thought I'd do a quick love check-in for you guys for the end of June as I'm getting your July readings ready. So here's a quick one. Let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the message they need to hear the most. So Gemini, you know the jig. These are general energy readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. Also, time is fluid. So this is something you could be going through now or will go through in your immediate future. This is just a flow of energy around you. So don't get fixated on the dates or anything. Okay, so person 1, person 2. Okay, you decide where you belong. Also, thank you all my subscribers. Channel's growing and keeps me motivated. Really, it's so helpful to have your comments and subs. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And because I'm working very hard for you, just like the man in this card, which is also your card, the energy around this is the 8 of Pentacles, a person working towards something. Okay, so let's see, Gemini, what are you working on? A happy relationship, I hope. So person 1, feeling left out in the cold. Okay, feeling very depressed, not getting the offer they want. And yeah, they feel investments not being put into this relationship. Somebody is upset with you, Gemini. Okay, let's see person 2, in deep thought. They've gone within, they're thinking, trying to get enlightened. What do I do? What do I do? Yes, maybe person 2 turned their back on person A, not wanting to work on this relationship. But they have the star also, which means that they are happy where they are. And let's see. Okay, let me just clarify these cards. So what is this 5 of Pentacles for person A, Spirit? Why is person 1 feeling, they feel that they have been fooled. Gemini, you're getting caught here. So one person feels that they are, somebody has fooled them. Maybe this King of Wands, a naughty king who's been doing funny stuff. Yes, maybe they were shown dreams, okay, and they were wishing that things could be different, but this King of Wands maybe just came in and out of their life and did not promise them anything, and now person 1 is feeling a little left out. 4 of Cups for Gemini or their person A. Yes, see, because they did not get the offer they were looking for. They wanted the happily ever after with you. They wanted marriage, commitment, and maybe Gemini, you or maybe your person didn't give it to you. Okay, so that's made you very sad, very upset, and that's what you're thinking of. 7 of Pentacles, Spirit. 7 of Pentacles in reverse. They feel not enough investment was put into this relationship. It just got left behind as, hey, you were my friend and we had a good time, right? And this made them feel, oh my God, it's over, because that's not what person A wanted. Person A probably had dreams and wishes of, a stable life with them, and person B maybe just left it at, it was nice knowing you, we had fun and whatever. So let's see person 2. Why is person 2 in hermit mode, and what is this person 2 thinking? Let's spy on this person 2 to see what is this person thinking about. Very deep. Yeah, they've been feeling stressed too, to be honest, okay? And they are wondering how they can relieve themselves or maybe the other person of the stress and tension that's been caused in this relationship. How do I put this right? How do I correct my mistakes maybe? They are wanting to communicate. Person 2 is wanting to communicate something with person A. But they have the 3 of Wands presently in reverse, which is, Spirit? they're not sure whether they want to return to this person, okay? Because Three of Wands is in reverse, and this is a card of going back. So they are not very sure what makes them happy. Should I go back to this person? They are in deep thought right now. Star Spirit for person B. They realize that they were happy with you, and they, I think, want some kind of, they don't want this to end, okay? They want to bring person A some kind of an offer of maybe a new beginning, but they're a bit sneaky, okay? They're a bit sneaky. They're not coming into you, with a king energy. They're coming in as a page. So they still want to maybe have that passionate love affair with you, but it's a bit sneaky. I don't think the person B is sure. Yeah, this is not a just relationship, Gemini, or your person, whoever the cross watcher is. This is not a equal relationship. They're still wanting to have what they had, and which is going to be not fair to person A. Let's see the outcome here. King of Wands again. Do you see what I said? King of Wands is back. This is what person A was fretting about. This man comes, has a good time, and leaves. And the outcome, King of Wands is back. Yes, again, it's going to be a very burdensome relationship. Person A, whoever you are, be warned by this reading. And there will be conflict once again. Because this person is trying to find ways and means to come back to you. But with the same energy of the King of Wands, let's take one card for them. King of Wands Spirit, what does this King of Wands want again with my person A? King of Wands Spirit, yeah. They're going to put you back in the hangman situation, Gemini. They're going to get you stuck again because they are passionate about you. I mean, Geminis are so gorgeous and beautiful and handsome. So person B can't have enough of you, and they're going to do anything in their power to start that affair maybe back with you. So what is this Ten of Wands Spirit? Yeah, but this partnership, it may begin again, right? But it's going to be again that same burden on your head. Because again, you're going to start wishing and hoping, and nothing's really going to happen. All it'll lead to is conflict again. Five of Wands Spirit. Yep, yeah. Page of Swords. So this is a very small energy, mischievous, not a king from any angle. Okay, this is somebody who's keeping a watch on you, spying on you, maybe wants you back, is going to come to you again with a very stagnant, slow offer. Nothing concrete. So Gemini, you're warned by this reading. Be careful of this King of Wands when he comes back, and take care. I'm going to be putting out your July reading soon. So if you're not a subscriber yet, please hit that button right now and wait for them. They're very exciting. So love and light, Gemini. Take care.